Alright, so to the gas zone. Are we ready?
Oh, it's pretty
As
good.
ready as I'm ever gonna be.
Putting on some more armor.
I'm going down. Gonna say the zip line to go that way is like there. You just left the game. Yeah. Oh wait. Down near the stairs. Yeah, I have to sit up. Look at all my buffs. Buff, buff, buff. There we go. See here where it says side effects? There's like the side effects of your meal and everything. Yeah. Maybe. Yay! You're in. Apparently. Crow feathers. Look at all the crow feathers. I'm just downstairs. Standing at the juice zip line. The juice. Yeah, you went the long way. Oh shit. Got no health or anything. We'll have to see how we go. Yeah. Like, no health stuff. I'll be fine. I'll pick mushrooms and shit. Oh, bandages. I'm so stupid. Hang on. Nah, that won't be enough. I need like 30 because I'm paying my own ass. Just stay there. Well, then come back up. That's not a fire ant, it's just a red ant.
Hello, powerless ant.
Yeah, but if they're gonna be vengeful, we'll get warning. Why? There's like 30 in here. Ah, top. Most of the important shit's on the end. So the top one has bandages. Then it's charms, creature parts, armor, weapons. From top to bottom. So yeah. Bandages and jerky. Parts and creature parts. More jerky. Armors and weapons. So yeah, all your bandages are normally in here. I've just took 30 out of there. Ooh, jerky. Ooh, jerky. Actually, I'll go check the jerky bags. Then we gotta go. Perfect. Extra dry grass. Alright, Mum. Let's go. I set a marker. Move. I guess we could have done it the lazy way. Yeah, you guys can have these stars. Just grab a couple of mushrooms. There we go. Yeah, because you got all your move fast stuff on. I told you, max out your mutations. I got stuck. Hang on. Right, there we go. Yeah, max out your mutations first. Always. Alright. I'm coming. And you go behind it. Behind the old house is the ant hill. But yeah, I set the marker for the middle of the gas zone. So keep going on behind you. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Now you know why I'm always so fast. Alright, so you want to plug the canister? That's the plan? Yeah, I'm recording. Cool. I'm excited. Once you plug the canister, you can see. Alright. We are going around the grumpy ladybug. And pick up free stuff. If you see free stuff, grab free stuff. Why am I hearing attack sound? Alright, whatever. We're looking for the metal bit. It's got like a pipe. Alright. I'm gonna get up on a rock or something and look around. Oh. It's alright, it's gone. We need the metal dealie to climb it. Yeah, it's got an arm. Metal arm. There it is. We going down, lady. Yeah, we gotta go over to that. How do we climb up it then? Exactly, we gotta go over there to climb up. Alright, we're gonna go up.
There's definitely something different about this week.
Oh! Explodies.
Nothing worse than an evil weevil. I think it looks like
Okay.
it's been infected? Nothing worse than a misunderstood evil weevil.
Wait, there it goes. Cool, we're up. God, I don't think we can make that jump. We'll have to go around. Yeah. Yeah, we got a better chance on this jump. Alright, cool. No! That was my bad. But yeah, stay on the right side so you don't die. Hang on, I'll try and get back up. I'm coming. So we can try this way. Oh yeah, this could be the way to go anyway. There we go. Pretty decent one, to be fair. But I did it off the corner. Like off the very tippy corner. Like from corner to corner. Like here. Literally. Aim for me. Aim for me, yep. Because it's the shortest distance. There you go. You're welcome. Oh yeah, getting up is not too bad. It just feels really spicy. Just be prepared to left shift if you go. Yeah. I have gum. Enough. I made sure we both had what we needed to be safe. Seriously. Because that way if someone goes, the other person can just keep going. Oh god, there's gnats. There's gnats. Yeah, infected ones, hang on. They're little bastards. It's alright. I squished them. You ready? Set. Look at it. Yeah, right? And look at the ditches. Let's go ditch exploring. Ditch bitches. Alright. I'm gonna shoot you. That's how we found the last boss. I slipped and fell. So the next thing I want to do before we get all... The next thing I want to do before I get all overexcited is get to this rock. With some stems, and we have to find some clay. Oh, I forgot to grab clay on the way through. Alright. I'm looking for you. Where are you? There you are. Alright, I'm coming. I'm kamikazing. Yeah. That was oodles of fun. Alright, there you are. I'm coming. Where are you? Hello. I gotcha. Hi, hi. He's like, ooh, we need dry grass. Alright, you do that, I'll defend. Get it. I got a couple. Alright, so now, because of where we are, where shit explodes, yeah. Now it's dead. Uh-oh. That bloaty. There it goes. We need the fungal growths. That's why I'm letting him explode. Alright, do you want to... We need clay, I think, to build the zip line. So that's could be a problem, but I'll... there's one stuck. Hang on. There's an idiot here. There you go. It's gone now. Yeah, that's what I've just realised. I was like, shit. Come this way, maybe? Oh, well, we can still explore. We just have to run back. Mushroom chunks. Are you ready to kick some ass? Land in science. That is the infected broodmother. No, we're not. Man. Yeah, I know. Those tier 3 axes, though. My god. Sorry. Crazy. Good. Alright, now. Yeah, look at all the free dead stuff in here.
That gnat looks sick.
Get out of my way. I'm getting this feathers. I love feathers. Give me the feathers. There's more shit. told you it's better once you turn it off. Alright. I got 6 haze fungus so far. No. I've gotten out of here before. Up here. That's why I was clearing the thing. What? Is it you can get out of them now that you can see? Nah. That was fun. Alright. Nothing yet. We're about to, though. Yeah, we're going in this hole next. Look at the feathers. But, before we do that... Is it dead? Good. No, I was trying to get it to do something, but yeah. Alright. I think I have Javelier on anyway. Alright, I'll get some attention. Start collecting shit. I got attention. Perfect. Oh wow, this is way more. Come help me then. With killing, because I've got room and no stand. Yep. Alright, now I got some stand. I am, yep. Now, there are going to be more dropping in. There's some up on the right. So this is essentially a death tunnel. But we're good. If you got to go for a ladybird, let me know. Stone shard. Beautiful, thank you. Alright, check your inventory while we've got a minute. To see what you can... How did... Anyway. Oh, okay, that's what it is. Fine, yep.
I mean, this is probably what bottled water is.
No, I'm not saying drop stuff. I'm just saying check. See what you've got. See if you've got a low number of something and I've got a few of them, like I can take that. So I'm about to come over here. Alright. Slime mold what? Slime mold stalk? The fuck is that? I think it's something that we collected yesterday. I just thought they were called fungal growth. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why I have that. I can drop that. That's fine. Is there anything you can eat? I've got like 300. No, rather than just drop, give. Because I've got tons of room. What's the bowl? Yeah, alright, I took 2 of them anyway, because I can steal the mushrooms. Alright, we can climb out of here. Hang on. More feathers. Figure we may as well get them. I have messages. Okay, I'll get them in a minute. Oh! Come here, you! Whoa! How'd my health get so low? Dude. I have to heal up. Hang on. I need to get up somewhere. Hang on, I'll collect them. Oh, I didn't know if you'd done it, that was all. Alright, bandages first. Yeah, there's no point pounding it. I got the same problem. Good thing you gave me some mushrooms. No? I'm a pain in the ass. I got half my health back. Alright. Where'd that fucking marker go? There it is. The marker. I'm getting more feathers. Yep. Mm-hmm. There's another one here, apparently. I'm just waiting for my health a bit. Hi. Yeah, there's a stick to get down and up. I don't see them, though. I think we've already done this one. Might have to rescan, because we've gotten them. Alright, let's head to that. We'll head back. Hang on. Right. This marker takes us out. Alright, we have to go around. Son of a bitch. Damn it. I was trying to get over there. All I did was hurt myself. I'm coming. I had to climb out. Get up high if you can. I'm coming. I'm like right behind you. No, you don't get into this fight, mate. You're in a fight with me. Alright, what's in here? This shit here we don't have. Oh, asshole. Freaking explosive asshole. You wanna see how bad it is? There's stuff down there to get though. Look at the mints and shit. Yeah, but we can also just respawn here. Look, right there. Milk molar, we're going in. Asshole. I just block at this point. That's so that you don't die. Hey, give me this. I need it. Screw you little bastards. Pipe problems? Yep. I'm a pain, I know. I know. The problem we're gonna have with this is light. Whoa! Shit. I'm defending you. I can't. You're gone. Good. I don't have to defend you. No, I've got to be nearby. Oh shit! There it is. Fucking little bastard. I'm gonna kill you because it's gonna kill me. I got it. Fucking little assholes. It's alright, I've got my back in the tent. It's alright. I defended. And I lured them up there. So that means the thing's a little emptier down here now. Which is totes advantage to us. Hey! Hey. Yeah. I'm running out of slots because I keep getting at meat though. But yeah, we're right here so we can respawn if we have to get bags. Oh, actually, that's a good point while we're here. Resurvey for feathers. Alright. Oh, yeah. Now that we have the level 3 axes, we can collect donuts too. I forgot about that. Oh, well, I'm just gonna... Oh, yeah. Alright, fine. Can you get in here? There's something big moving out there. Can we build a fire? I might have enough. I'm pretty sure I picked up some stone. I need to eat, but I've got a stack of meat on me that's gonna take up space. Nah. You need sprigs. It's alright. Yeah. I have to stay here because I got no health. So 3 pebblets, 3 sprigs. But I can make us food for health. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and watch my health go up. I can eat one of these bars, but I'll just do one.
Whoa.
It'd help my health though. Alright. Mm-hmm. Come back. Just wait. I'm going in. My health's fine. Screw it. Pretty much, yep. This end is... Whoop. That end was. It's alright. We shouldn't zoom in too much in here. Yeah, there's the exit. Alright, hang on. Yeah, there's feathers there too somewhere. I'm at 38 of 40 slots. Yeah, I know. What are you gone? Alright, cool. I'm doing mint. Thank you. Hang on, I'm coming. Just let me... Oh, that's brittle marble. What the hell? No, it was back here. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm looking around. Brittle marble. Pebblet. I'm coming. I'm just doing the rounds. There we go, hi. Where do I need to pick shit up? I think I'm leaving. Oh, here, yeah, I got them. Perfect, because I already have some. Yeah, we can head out. Alright, hang on. It's pretty safe down here, so... Let me just... Because apparently there's a feather right there. No, out there. See the marker? We're going out anyway. Fucking hope so. But for the moment, I'm hoping to at least make it to the other house. Alright, we go round the ladybug. We do not skis the ladybug. It's in there. Oh, we've never been in there. There's science in there. Alright, we'll come back. Yeah, okay, hang on. Dun, 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 dun,
Infected
dun.
larva.
Right. Where is it? Ah, forget it. I'll kill it. It's up my ass anyway. Yeah, no, it's alright. As I said, I'll kill it. It's up my ass anyway. Go. Yeah, do your explodey thingy. Explodey bitch. Yeah, we know. I'm coming. Bye. Just jump it. Oh, the bridge is there. You've gone the wrong way. Oh. Over the bridge? Oh, I see it. I see that. So I'm just going to drop here then. No. I dropped down off the top and just crossed my bridge. And then I picked off the lava on this side. Because the infected creatures will spread now.
Hydration is the key to performance.
Yeah, right on. But yeah, markers on the old house. Where are you? Oh no, I'll be cooking food and shit for us. I don't know, but you're supposed to be going towards a pink marker. You're all good. Alright, so we need to drop that, and that. I'll take the Mite Fuzz home. We've got gum. I got cool creech parts. Plenty of feathers. What else was it? Dry grass. There we go. No, if you look in the first one on the top, I have put in the fungal growth. The annoying squeaky thing fucking heads that I don't like. And the dry grass, because when we come back here... Actually, no, we can leave it here and then go do the ant thing while we're here. Alright. We just need more dry grass first. That's easy. We sleep upstairs. And there's food here. Downstairs now. Yeah, I did like 30 odd. I was so happy. So it doesn't... We're not limited to basically anything. Yep. I'm just putting that there. Yes, it's fine. There are 3 roasts in the basket near the fire. It's for food. And I'm cooking the rest of the meat I had on me now. Because we're going to need that in the morning. Yeah, if we're doing the thing, absolutely just pick a chest and dump your shit. Alright, no, that was just because that's what we're making. I'll dump all my shit in the grenades one. What have I got? Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. No, no, yes, no, no. Yeah, while we're here.
Hey, I'm gonna fall asleep standing up if we go much longer.
There we go. And there's food if you're hungry. Yep. Alright, cool. I'm gonna message Ricky real quick. Alright, give me a minute. Yeah, there's more in the basket. Alright. Next to the fire, the food fire. Yep, there's roast in there. Are we coming back here anyways? Yep. So that's why I've left all my stuff and put myself back down to basics, because we're about to go and raid those red ants. Okay, there is some shit I really don't know about it, like the silk rope. Yep, I did it already. I dumped all mine in the grenade box. I'm just chucking all mine in creature parts. Yeah, good plan. Alright, I'm roughly back down to basics. Yeah. Sorry, coming. The hell? We got food on. The ants are funny when you got food. Yeah, I'm already out of it. That's cool. Mate, I'm not done. I'm taking food. They're gonna hurt. We're gonna need the whacker for this. Alright, let's go. They're now attacking other shit. Alright, I'm coming. To the anthill. Have you got a torch or something? Nope, me neither. Great. Let's see how we go. And everything's gonna hate us because we're the wrong colour. It doesn't matter because they're gonna hate us even more once we start stealing shit. Into the anthill. I want to see if there's any fucking eggs. I see lots of sleeping. Oh, I pissed stuff off. Alright, I'm coming out. Come out. We need torches. I can't either. Oh, cool, the burrs. How come I lost my game music? Wow, we pissed them off. Might have to put red ant armor on. What are they attacking? Like grass? You? Oh, me. Alright, I'm out. He's like, I'm running back for the marker. Come on. Because you're smart. It's alright, we'll go in and take a break because we're going to have to run back to the tree and get red ant armor. That we're getting too much attention. I'm in the house. I'm not sure if my red ant armor might be here. I'm a good one for that. No.
Why can't I get in?
What? Okay. Alright, I'm having a break. Is that alright? I'm having a game break.
Probably a smart idea because I gotta go in 20 or so.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm logging out.